Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see what are the different types of campaigns objectives you can select from on the Reddit ads account when you're planning to build out a new campaign. So let's see all the different types of campaign objectives. So this is the platform where we come to, and here when you start building out a campaign and we come to the advanced level, these are the different types of campaign objectives which you will get. Now, here, if you see, there are six major campaign objectives which you can select for when you're building a new campaign. The first one is brand awareness and reach, which is primarily focusing on branding purposes. You want to do awareness of your new company, new brand. You want to reach out to maximum people possible for that. And that is where you choose this specific business objective, wherein you're going to pay for CPM, you're going to pay for the impressions, and it optimizes towards impressions. The second one is going to be traffic, website traffic, where you want people to visit your website and check out your products and services. So this is where you pay for CPC, you pay for clicks, and it's optimizing towards the clicks which we get. Then there is conversions. So this is going to be where you want to drive sales on your website. You want people to take action on your website, and you pay here for every click. And this particular campaign objective optimizes for conversions. There is also video views, which is primarily useful when you want to increase the views on your video ads. Okay, and this is where you pay for every view which you get on your video ads. And this primarily focuses on getting as many views as possible. There is also app install campaign objective, which is focusing on driving as many installs as possible for your mobile app, where you pay for every click or impression. This particular campaign objective is only optimizing for generating as many app installs as possible. And then lastly, there is catalog sales, which is primarily focusing on driving retail product sales and services. Okay, so here again, you're paying for clicks and impressions. This will primarily only focus on optimizing for catalog sales. So these are the main campaign objectives which you can select from when you're planning to build a new campaign on the Reddit ads platform.